Session interrupted by the Crysystem Library DLL pop-up? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. It's time to resync your libraries and clear that crash for good. Before the technical guide for Crysystem Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Crysystem Library, the core CryEngine System library. It manages the localized hardware initialization, memory allocation, and foundational localized task scheduling for titles like Crysis or Hunt, Showdown. Failure results in a critical engine initialization failure. Crash. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. If Crysystem Library DLL is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX files and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Crysystem library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Keep in mind that Crysystem Library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Crysystem Library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Crysystem Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.